Yo people, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how we can get FC points in FC Mobile 26. The World Cup is coming to an end. We have a lot of great new cards that we can use just to build up our team in this summer period. So let me show you how we can get those free FC points. So you know that FC Mobile is not the same without FC points, and I have a solution for that, but let's see if it will apply just like I saw it on Reddit. So I saw this method right there, guys, and I was so eager to try it out. I tried a lot of methods, but none of them were successful. And the FC points are very much needed to play. But to deposit funds non-stop, it is not the way. This will be the way, hopefully, of course, that it will be. You see the free FC points being added in FC Mobile 26, just like that, guys. It is not magic, it is within a few simple steps. So let me show you how exactly. But before that, make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up any browser, but search for appspatched.com. Right there, people, we will have a lot of apps, over 173 active ones. But here is FC Mobile on the 4th row. So tap on it and let's proceed further. As of right now, we will need to enter our username, select the platform that we are on, and then, guys, we will select the amount of the FC points. You can also select those gems, but let's focus today on those FC points because that is a much more needed resource than gems in FIFA or FC Mobile. So for some, it is still FIFA, for me, exactly, but it is what it is. Continue to verification. We will now see a step-by-step tutorial, which you can watch 2 minutes of your time. It is needed for this last step, but you can still follow me up because this step is so simple, guys. You will have two options with it. To either complete 2 questionnaires by answering some simple questions, or to just make sure to download 2 apps from the official App Store, Google Play Store. And not only download them, but also if you want to download Zap VPN, you will need to open it up. If you want to download Copper, you will need to install and register it. Something simple like that. But the questionnaires will be a faster way for you. So see what you prefer and just complete it that way. You also can read what here needs to be done and also watch the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was very useful. If you have further questions, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.